How to use AXS app. This will show you how to create an account and use tickets for events. So the first step is click in the top right hand corner where you see the little profile picture. There you'll want to log into your account. When you purchase tickets online, you should already have like the details that you used. You need to make sure that you use those ones. That's going to have the tickets that you purchased your event for. Let's say, for instance, if you purchase tickets for the O2, then they will be on this app once you log in. So log in however which way. You will need to verify your email and also potentially verify your phone number for this. So do those things, go over to your email, get the text messages, put in those codes. Once you've done that, you'll be on the app here, fully logged in. Then you want to click on tickets at the bottom part of the screen, and there you should be able to see that you can sell, transfer, or just use your tickets by scanning that QR code. So once you go to the event, you want to give the person the code and then they'll scan it and then you'll be allowed in the event. And that's how it works. So leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.